I never thought my story would end up in a book. Not for real. But Coach Michael saw what I was afraid to say. He helped me turn pain into pages and pages into purpose. See, here are the lessons. See, initially I thought my story was too messy to matter. Coach Michael taught me your voice is your vehicle. I learned to organize, outline, and to write. I faced shame and told the truth. I didn't just write a book, I launched a mission. See, publishing gave me credibility, confidence, and clarity. Telling your truth in the right hands can transform lives. Habakkuk 2 and 2, it says, write the vision and make it plain. And that's what we did in the Pathway to Trauma Recovery book. 13 authors from all over the world courageously told their stories, their story of how they overcame trauma. They did not allow that trauma to sit. They pulled it up so that it could come out and it could help somebody else. And that's what our stories do because we overcome by the testimony. So Habakkuk 2 and 2, it says it clearly, write the vision and make it plain. Now here's some lessons from the trauma-informed girl. I thought no one would care about my story. Now people recover because I told it. Don't bury your truth. Share it with purpose. Our spiritual reflection comes from Revelations 12 and 11. And it says, they overcame by the blood of the Lamb and the word of their testimony. Your story has power. Speak it. It's your story to tell. Our call to action for today, I want you to think about this. What part of your story are you still hiding from the world? Write it, share it. If you need help telling it, start with manuscript mentorship through Ink of Legacy. The links are listed below. I encourage you, you're not too late to write the next chapter. You are the chapter someone else is praying for. Remember, we are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.